To this, we're going to be adding minced garlic. Put a little bit in each one. If garlic, chopped up garlic is too strong for you, you can use like garlic powder. Then we're gonna put a little pepper and salt on each of these. I think you can go a little bit stronger with the salt on this one. And then we're going to be adding a little bit of onion powder. So instead of like chopped up onions, we're using garlic. We're using chopped up garlic, but we're using onion powder. It's going to taste so good. Next, we'll be adding some bacon bits. I like using these pre-made bacon bits. So a little bit goes on each one, or a little bacon flavor. Colby Jack cheese, or any cheese that you prefer. I like using some kind of, not just a white cheese, but something with a little like cheddar or like this Colby Jack. And that just goes right on top. And you can add as little or as much as you like. I like it a little cheesy, so I'm adding a little extra cheese. Okay, and look, talk about how simple. This is gonna go in a 350-degree oven, just like this, for about 30 minutes. We'll be right back. Look at these. These look so good. They're so cute because, you know, the beef kind of shrunk up. So I'm going to go ahead and add some chives on top of all this. You can use green onions, but I like chopping up chives. Maybe they'll land, maybe they don't, but at least they're there. If you're going to actually put this out like on a plate, you could put like the green onions later. So, gotta pick one. I'm going to take this one right here. See what I mean about it being like almost perfect for like a slider? Like you get a little, like a slider bun. I think it'd be amazing on that. I am going to add a little sour cream. You can add ketchup or mustard or whatever you like. If you're watching your sugar, a lot of companies make like sugar-free or low sugar ketchups now. So I'm using a little sour cream. Cut into this. Remember we had all those seasonings. We had that giant dollop of garlic on the inside. Take this bite, the onions and the bacon. That's delicious. What an easy way to make like slider burgers. I think you could like make all sorts of like stuffed burgers for sliders this way using a cupcake tin. So yeah, super easy. And you don't even need to break out the grill or the frying pan, just use an oven. So make this at home. I promise it'll be a hit.